Giving value equals money. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video, we're gonna talk about how to use Facebook groups to make affiliate sales. Also, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a free gift. And the benefits of watching this video to the end is you'll learn how to do affiliate marketing and Facebook groups the right way. So let's get into today's content. Alright guys, so before you try and make affiliate sales, this is what you need to do. You must pick a niche. So basically a niche is something you're passionate about or something that you have an interest in doing for the long run or something you have a hobby for. So like for fitness, weight loss, make money online, Bitcoin, anything like that. So once you have that, then we can start going into details how to make sales with affiliate marketing and Facebook groups. So once you choose your niche, this is how you're gonna make affiliate sales. So basically, there's 6 tips I basically give you to make affiliate sales. So the first tip is basically give value. So basically, giving value equals free money. So what I mean is basically when you give value, you're helping people out with their problems. So basically, when you're giving value, you're helping people with their problems and you're solving it with your affiliate offer. But before you give your offer to them, you must give value. So basically, value is basically like tricks and tips to do to make them benefits of like losing weight or helping them like make money online or anything like that. So basically, that's free value you can give to make money with it within affiliate groups. So the second thing I want to give you is basically do not spam. So if you spam, like people are not going to trust you and like you because people don't trust spammers because they don't know if it's a scam or not like that. So basically, spamming equals no money. So even if you do make a skill, I mean, even though you make a sale, you're not probably making much because it's not a real reliable way to make money online. So I advise you do not spam. So the third tip I want to give you is expect nothing in return when you get free value because if you do that, you're not going to expect um, instant gratification when you start making sales because again, this is a real actual business and this is not a get rich scheme. So basically, you want to expect nothing in return when you get free value to people. So the fourth tip I want to give you is basically you're solving people problems. So you basically want to answer the questions they have. So basically, like, so if somebody say how do I lose weight, so you want to answer everybody questions they have within your fitness group or whatever. So I'm gonna just show you an example in a minute what I mean. But in the meantime, right now, basically you just answer people questions and anybody question they have within your niche and just answer that and just be a value giver. So the fifth tip I want to give you is just be consistent in Facebook groups because if you be consistent in Facebook groups, people gonna be like, okay, maybe I can trust this person to solve my problems, and then that's when you get your affiliate offer, and then that's when you start making commission sales in Facebook groups. So the sixth thing I want to tell you is do not promote a offer that's not relevant to your niche because if you do that, of course, that's not even relevant to your niche, and second of all, people not gonna trust you because that's not even relevant to the offer. I mean to the topic. So basically, what I mean is like if you promote a fitness offer, which when in the Bitcoin niche, that them two don't connect. So you gotta make it connect. So basically, you want to promote an offer that is related to fitness, and you want to promote an offer that's related to that. So basically, that's what you want to do. So the number one way you're gonna promote the affiliate offer is basically DM them. So basically, um, now once you get the person your answer to people questions and stuff, then you want to start try to close them with your within the message in the DMs because then people gonna this one-on-one talk and then basically you can start closing them with the affiliate offer. So that's basically how you're gonna make affiliate sales. So I'm gonna show you how to do affiliate marketing in the Facebook group. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, so basically I'm gonna show you two different ways of doing affiliate marketing, the good way and the bad way. So basically this way right here is basically the good way how to do it. So basically this guy's showing you how to do front dumbbell presses. And he's showing 3 steps how to do it, and then he's showing a video example of how to do it. Now this is a bad way of doing affiliate marketing on Facebook groups because he's just like providing the affiliate link and he's not really giving value. Even though you can watch the video and it show you what the product can do for you, the benefits of the product for can also do for you, but he's not providing value. So as you can see, he's just saying attention. For now, you will no longer have back pain and bad posture. So this is not really giving value. So basically, they're still getting value because it's if I go to this blog post right here, it says how to make skin thinner for body build. So when I come to this page, the link I just clicked, it's showing me how to make skin thinner for body build. So it's going to give me a blog post on how to do that. So um, all these words and blog posts in here is basically free value just giving how to just do that. So they give you step by step. So the step number one be lowering body fat, and step number two will be use steroids or growth hormones. So they give you practical steps you can use to get your skin thinner. So basically, that's what you want to be start doing in Facebook groups. So once you start doing that on a consistent basis, you're gonna start seeing sales pile up in your bank account because you're giving value. And once you do that, you're gonna start making sales. But at the same time, you got to be consistent. So the free gift I want to give you is basically a free affiliate marketing ebook. It will teach you how to get started from A to Z, from affiliate marketing and all the ins and outs you need to know for affiliate marketing, and basically the steps to avoid as a beginner. So if you want access to it, make sure you click the first link in my description. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on post notification. Also, make sure you like and comment the video because it gave me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.